Andy, thank you very much for your invitation. We're at Southern Manufacturing, we're on your stand, obviously plenty of kit here, but you've got some new software, MyCat Planning. Can you tell me a little bit more what it does?
Of course, thank you. We are showing on the stand here Mitutoyo MyCat Planner. So it's a new software and it's a new concept in programming CMMs. And the emphasis, what we want to get across to people is it's going to speed up how long it takes to program the parts on the CMM. So currently, programming parts on a CMM is a long, drawn-out process. Often the programs that are generated are not consistent, and they don't always deliver the technical content exactly as required. So with this new software, what we do is we ensure that by the import of PMI data from the CAD model, that the programs are generated fully automatically, and that they're consistent and they deliver the results that the customer is expecting.
Now, you've got plenty of CMMs in the country here. Would this product be available for every CMM?
That's right. So a lot of existing CMMs can benefit from this software. It won't be every single customer. It will be dependent on products and things like that. But there certainly will be a vast majority of those existing CMMs that can benefit from this software.
And it can measure any part, can it?
Not all parts. And also there is a requirement for certain CAD data, but if it meets those criteria, then really any part can be measured.
Andy, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.